Hey folks, one of my students turned in some code which was correct in function, but it did lack an important aspect to it. And rather than just tell you, I'll explain as we walk through his code. It was really good code, but there's something that he was missing, and that is your comments. So here first we're going to describe that we need our floating point variables. Then we have, of course, our x1. We need 4. Actually, we need more, but we'll define them as we're going along. We have our x2, which is our input. So here we go, x2. Then our y1. Here we go. There we go. And y2. And here we go. Okay, and then once we're done, we have more comments. Every time we're going to do code, we have to type the comments and distance formula. Okay, and then the difference of squares. And the reason is because you always have to look at your comments as in what will happen if I look at this code years from now. Now, this is super simple. Here, we have 2 asterisks. Okay, and then plus, and the other y1, 2 asterisks, 2, or stars. Okay, and then we take the square root of all of this. Now, the reason is you always want to look at your comments as something that's going to tell you what's going on a year or 2 or 5 years from now. Or worst case scenario, if you died and somebody had to take over your code, print the result. Yeah, you want them to know. This is critical. Comments are not a luxury. They're something that you absolutely need to do. Okay, let's go ahead and, as you know, when we finish with Vim, we go ahead and chmod, give it execute permissions, and then we run it. And in x1, let's just -3, and then x2 will make it 3. And then y1 will make it 2, and y2 will make it 5. And there you go. We got the right answer. So the important thing here that I just wanted to show you is as I'm walking you through the code, really understand the comments are critical. They're just as important as the actual code. And as you make even more complex code, it'll become even more important. So I hope that helps. Any questions? Let me know.